Hello little friends, today we will learn A to Z and color name. Is pink color, black color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, white color, gray color, purple color, sky blue color, brown color, light green color, yellow color, dark green color, red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sky blue color. A. A for ant. A for ant. Yellow color. B. B for backpack. B for backpack. Orange color. C. C for cup. C for cup. Blue color. D. D for doll. D for doll. Brown color. E. E for earth. E for earth. Pink color. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for girly. G for girly. Red color. H. H for house. H for house. Sky blue color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J. J for jacket. J for jacket. Orange color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Blue color. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Brown color. M. M for mouse. M for mouse. Pink color. N. N for nose. N for nose. Dark green color. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Red color. P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Sky blue color. Q. Q for Queen. Q for Queen. Yellow color. R. R for Robot. R for Robot. Orange color. S. S for Snail. S for Snail. Blue color. T. T for T. T for T. Brown color. U. U for Umbrella. U for Umbrella. Pink color. V. V for Volcano. V for Volcano. Dark green color. W. W for Watermelon. W for Watermelon. Red color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Sky blue color. Y. Y for Yo-Yo. Y for Yo-Yo. Yellow color. Z. Z for Zero. Z for Zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Brown color, dark green color, white color, black color, pink color, gray color, blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, peace pink color, orange color, light green color, red color, purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red color. 1, 1. Sky blue color. 2, 2. Light green color. 3, 3. Pink color. 4, 4. Yellow color. 5, 5. Pink color. 6, 6. Light green color. 7. 7. Sky blue color. 8. 8. Red color. 9. 9. Yellow color. 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.